Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for being on this page. I'm very excited that you're on this page today because I got a gift for you that's going to rock your world, honestly. We have a free advanced deep dive training web class. What do I mean by deep dive? We're going to show you information that is given to people that pay over $10,000 for a weekend class. And I'm telling you, what you're going to learn in this session is going to really make you think about what you've been doing in the past and how you're going to be able to change your life. So definitely this is going to be a game changer for you, definitely, ladies and gentlemen. Now, the idea with all this is how to succeed in today's complex online market. And who am I? My name is Carlos Enrique Rojas. I've been going after this dream of doing business online for almost 4 years now. My background is real estate investment, buying properties and holding them. But I got the urge to go online, and I wanted to learn this. And for the last 6 months, my mentor, who is going to be sitting with you and going over his strategy and how he does this, is going to show you how we put this together. So, there's people that are successful in life. Why are people successful in life? Well, a lot of things. They got a vision, and they got massive action. And second thing, I think they surround themselves with people that are greater than themselves or better than themselves. So you have to do that all the time. That's important that you do that. So let me ask you this. If you had the opportunity to sit down with a millionaire, a person that's making $4 million a year, would you sit down with them? Well, I'm going to invite you. Click down there and come on board. Check out with us. Sit down with us. Have coffee on your desk. We'll have coffee on our end. And we'll get together and show you what we're talking about. A $4 million man showing you how he does it. And you can be part of this. So I'll wait for you on the inside. Click below and let's get it on. Let's get this together. Thank you. Bye.